Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make a very simple generator using only magnets, wires, and waste materials. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below the video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my latest and best videos. Please subscribe to the channel to watch my latest and best videos. I will use copper wire and 2 centimeter diameter plastic tube to wind into many small rolls. I use zip ties to secure the copper wire. We used a discarded plastic tube as a base for the copper coils. Note, flatten the plastic tube and cut it into a circle with a diameter of 20 centimeters. I carefully attach the copper coils I made to the plastic base. Note, attach the copper coils in a circle and 3 centimeters apart. We will connect the copper coils using a soldering iron. I used a small motor to make the shaft. We will attach it to the finished plastic base. I used a clear plastic sheet and cut it into a circle the size of the plastic base I made. We used 4-centimeter diameter magnets and attached them to the transparent plastic sheet. Note: attach the magnets symmetrically in a circle. Carefully attach the plastic magnet plate to the motor shaft. I used 2-centimeter diameter plastic tubes and cut them into 5-centimeter long pieces, then glued them to the plastic base. We will mount the newly built generator to the existing wooden base. To be able to use electricity from the generator, I use a transformer and an electrical outlet. To be able to use electricity from the generator, I use a transformer and an electrical outlet. To be able to spin the motor, I used a 12-volt Arapto and connected it to the motor. I'll plug the adapter into the power outlet, then spin the plastic plate with the magnet on it. See what happens. The magnet rotates around the copper coils, causing the copper wire to generate 12 volts of electricity, which then passes through a transformer circuit and generates 220 volts of electricity, which is finally fed back to the motor to rotate the magnets. So now that you have built a perpetual generator with me, let's see how it works using electrical equipment. I think with this generator, I can make our world greener and cleaner. First, I will try with a fan. It is amazing. It works very well. I will continue to use one more light bulb. Isn't that great? I've had success with my permanent generator. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.